did you know there is one vegetable that grows really fast? It takes up hardly any space. It also repels pests. And yet hardly anybody talks about it. In today's video, we're going to take a look at why the humble salad onion, or spring onion, is such an underrated vegetable, but one of the most valuable vegetables that you can grow in your garden.
The allium family includes onions, shallots, chives, garlic and leeks. They are rich in sulphur, which provide the sharp, pungent flavour they have when raw. But when cooked, the taste becomes sweeter. Allium, in fact, comes from the Greek word for garlic.
Whether you're growing on a large allotment, on a smaller scale in raised beds, in pots, on a balcony or on your patio, salad onions are a must-grow vegetable. Because of their upright and compact growing habit, they can be fitted into any tiny spaces that you have.
Unlike other onions, salad onions grow really fast, usually ready in around 8 to 10 weeks. You can even do a cut and come again harvest by snipping the green tops while they keep growing. If you have a small garden or just a few containers, salad onions are perfect. They don't need much room and can be tucked into small gaps between other plants. Want fresh homegrown veg all year? Salad onions can be grown almost year round with succession planting. Hardy varieties can even be sown in late summer for a winter or early spring harvest. Unlike other vegetables that attracts pests, salad onions actually repel common garden pests like aphids and carrot flies because of their strong scent. That makes them a fantastic companion plant for carrots, lettuce and tomatoes. You can either direct sow in the ground to start them or in module trays for easy transplanting. Our preferred method is the latter. Salad onions don't need much feeding. Spreading your homemade compost on top of your vegetable beds is all they really need for nutrients. And here's a tip for you. When grown multi-sown as we do, harvest the biggest ones first, leaving the smaller ones to grow on. Or you can harvest the whole clump all at once to give you your bunch of salad onions.
Not only are salad onions great to grow in the garden, but they're a nutritional powerhouse.
They are rich in vitamins A, C and K. They're also packed with antioxidants, and they are full of fibre. For me, what makes the salad onion so valuable is that it can be sown in late August to overwinter and give you that onion taste in spring, just as your bulbing onions from storage run out and you are still waiting for your overwintered onions to harvest in late May and June. If you have an undercover space such as a polytunnel or a greenhouse or even just a cold frame, these salad onions could be ready from winter for you to enjoy. Myself and Mrs. W were enjoying the taste of salad onions through the Christmas period and into the new year. Growing in Zone 9A, we can grow ours outside and be enjoying these from late February onwards. You can also eat all of the salad onion, as the leaves also carry the onion flavour.
And the best part is that they can be used raw or cooked. These ones here that you see in our greenhouse and in the polytunnel, we had that lovely salad onion taste over the winter months during December and January. And these outside here in this raised bed, we're using those in our cooking and in our recipes that we're eating now. If you haven't already, add salad onions to your vegetable list. They're fast growing, low maintenance, and they're absolutely delicious in any recipe that you want to use them in. Let us know in the comments down below. Do you already grow salad onions? And if you haven't, are you going to give them a try for the first time? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and hit that subscribe button. And if you're actually getting ready to be planting out your bulbing onions and you want to see how they'll grow through the year and what you need to do to bring them to a successful harvest, then watch this video next. Have a great rest of your gardening week, and we shall see you very soon.